Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the different examples of the accounting equations. Earlier you know the debit is equivalent to the credit, or you may say the asset is equivalent to the liabilities and capitals. Now with the help of the examples, I think you may go through the all the concept much better clarity. Now the illustrations. Now illustrations number 1. Now the transactions has been listed in the example number 1. The business started with cash 50,000. So now you may observe when the business started with cash, so here at the top you may observe the equation is listed asset is equivalent to liabilities plus capital. So when I am talking the assets, so many assets will take the place under the column of asset, and the liabilities will take the place under the column of liabilities. Capital will only the one column is there, with the help of the revenue and expenses will be entertained here. So when the one transaction is there, cash, business started with cash 50,000. So when the cash is coming in the business, the cash is a asset. It has been written down with the name of cash with the amount of 50,000 under the head of asset. Asset will increase with the 50,000 with the name of cash. In the same is no reactions to the liabilities, and the capital means it is invested by the businessman, and the businessman account is capital. So it will increase the capital account of businessman with the amount of 50,000. So the total, if you are going to calculate, will remain same. 50,000 is equivalent to 50,000. In the same manner, the same equations we have forwarded to the next example at the top. Cash and capital 50,000 and 50,000. The both is to be listed there. And now the first is again the transaction is coming here. The one transaction is listed the goods furniture purchased in cash with the amount of 10,000. And now when the furniture is purchased, again the asset is increased. So asset is increased, and the next is the payment of 10,000 is decreasing the cash. So it means the both effect is going to the asset side. Out of the 50,000, 10,000 cash is down. Cash reaction is 10,000 on the cash column, and the balance you may observe after the payment of 10 and 15, the 40,000 cash is there now as a balance. Now furniture increase. After the payment, cash is decreasing, furniture is increasing. So the 10,000 will of the furniture will be increased. So the net results you may see the 40,000 cash in hand now, and the furniture is of the 10,000s. Again the result is 50,000, but now you are moving to the liability side. Equation is reacting to the asset side. 10,000 decreasing and 10,000 increasing to the asset side. So no liabilities and capital side will be affected. So this is the again equation 40, 10 and 50, which has to be forwarded to the example number 3 first. So you may observe the first the equation forwarded, and now the next data, this is the total balance. Now new equation is the purchase merchandise for the cash of rupees 10,000. When merchandise word is referring to stock in the goods. So when the goods purchased for cash, cash is again decreasing, 10,000 is gone down. The second is furniture merchandise means the stock purchase, stock is increasing. So you may see the cash 10,000 is going down, and the stock is increasing with the 10,000. This is the new equation, and the balance is coming after the 40 minus 10, the 30,000 balance in hand of cash. Furniture in hand 10 already exists now, no change, and the stock is now increasing with 10,000. Cash down and the furniture increase. No change in the liabilities and reaction because the both items affected to the assets side. So I think these are the items now which are giving you the more clarity. Now come to the next example. Purchase merchandise means stock on credit. When it is on credit, it means from the suppliers it is payable. So now again the stock is increasing. The first equation is forwarded equations, and now the next is now reacting with the 5,000. So you may see here goods purchased. When goods purchased with the 5,000, then the merchandise is increased. You may write down word here stock also in place of merchandise. And now the next is the supplier is increasing because still the payment is pending. So the liability is increased with the name of creditors 5,000. So the result you may see there is the earlier 30,000 no change, then the balance again 30,000, furnitures 10,000 and no change, then the 10,000 but the merchandise 10, now purchase 5, now the balance is 15,000. Creditors earlier 0 and now has been increased with 5,000 the 5, and now the capital will remain same 50,000 no change. So I think the equation is the of only 5,000 is reacting to the both asset is and credit side the both, so the equations will remain same 55,000. And now the last example is again the balance is forwarded, the same balances of the forwarded, the closing balance are forwarded. And now the next is the sold the merchandise for the cash of 2,000 and the cost of the merchandise 1,500. The merchandise will be considered with the cost price, cash may be increase, market price may be increase, market price may be go down. The sale price is 2,000, so the money receiving is 2,000, it will increase to the cash with the amount of 2,000. And merchandise value is 1,500, the 1,500 means the cost price, so stock will be entertained with the 1,500. The difference between the both is 500. The 500 is a profit, market price minus cost price is equivalent to 500, that is profit. Profit will increase capital, if it is loss can be deleted. Now the effect is you may see to the both side it is affecting now. Now the 500 difference to the debit side and the 500 difference to the credit side. 2,000 plus minus 1,500, the 500 result is affecting to the debit side as well as the plus 500. The same results are in the form of equation is there. So the now the result you may observe, the cash is decreased. Now cash is increased 30 plus 2, 32,000, and the furnitures no change, the same 10,000, and the merchandise with the 15,000 minus 1,500, then 13,500 is now the balance, and the equal the creditors the 5,000 no change, and the capital is 50,000 plus 500 as profit. Now the 50,500, the total of the both if you are going to check it will remain same 55,500. So I think the equations line is clear when the total of the both side is equal. Total asset should be equal to total claims. Thank you.